Okay, welcome to the new guest room here. Now available on Airbnb. This is the loft bed I just made. It's a queen size loft bed. And let's go up and see what's there. It's a new IKEA mattress with springs and with memory foam. It's really comfortable. I was just laying down on it as I was making the bed. 4 pillows and a super warm comforter, and it's got a nice railing and decorative reclaimed fascia piece there. Twin size daybed below. Optional Islamic prayer mat, or it could be a meditation space. A little end table there we just made. Some books, free library, workspace, complimentary stamps, envelopes, paper, computers, speakers. There's a laptop and there's a Mac Mini. There is some walnut coffee table action, little closet thing made out of reclaimed materials. And there's the loft, don't bang your head. And yeah, and this daybed's kind of cool. It's got cedar, so you can smell a little bit of cedar maybe as you go to sleep. Over here's the other room. This is my room, but I'm thinking about heading out to Pennsylvania for a while, so maybe not. But so the whole apartment might be available. It's got a big loft and big loft up there with a queen size mattress that's also pretty thick and comfortable. And got a cubby staircase that gets up there, and there's like a common space down here for the kind of a living room with a nice big 12x6 carpet, and great kitchen here. Also lots of books, cool little kitchenette, stove, appliances in good working order. Let's see what else. Nice bathroom here. There's a nice sink, nice bathtub. And yeah, I'm actually gonna touch some of this up since I'm in an apartment, spruce up. I'm gonna get some new grout and some new paint in there. And yeah, my name is Sander, and thanks. Okay, cool. Bye.